Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about my bike. I've got it to the trails today and we'll be doing a bike check. So this bike, let's start with the frame. It's a Merida Big 9 600 2017 model and it is basically stock. I have done some changes. So this is a 29er and a large size. I am 6 foot and this size suits me well. This is a XC geometry bike and it's meant for races, not so much for comfort. And like I said, it's a 29er, so it has just big wheels. So this bike has a 11-speed NX drivetrain. It has a single chain front and a 11 speed in the back. So the bike originally came with a 28 teeth chainring, which I felt was too small for me. So I upgraded that to a 34, and that is the maximum I can go with the frame clearance. And rear I have a 1142 NX cassette, and the whole system is a SRAM set. So in the rear I have a Merida Com CC wheel, which is a stock wheel with a 135mm quick release. So it is not a boost compatible frame, but I think for cross country it is quite nice. And I don't have a tubeless setup done. In the front I have a Alex DP20 ring paired with a 15mm through axle hub. So the front fork is a 15mm through axle fork, so that gives a lot of stiffness in the front. I have Schwalbe rapid drops both in the front and the rear, and to be very honest, I do not like them very much, and I keep on changing my tires. Let's come to my cockpit setup. I have a 720mm bar and a 90mm stem, which are both aluminum and is a Merida Expert series. I have a Garmin mount on the headset cap, and these are the rest face half Nelson grips. So these are not proper cross-country grips, but I still love them because they are quite wide and I have big hands. Up front I have a SRAM GX shifter coupled with the NX derailleur, and I have Tektro Gemini brakes. So let's come to my fork setup. This is a 100mm fork. It's a Manitou Marvel. Right now it's set to 100mm, but it is internally adjustable from 80mm to 120mm, and I keep on changing it. This is a air sprung fork, so instead of a coil spring it has air in it, which acts as a suspension. It also has a 15mm through axle in the front, and which gives it a much needed stiffness when going downhill or when climbing up rough terrain. So guys, I hope you like the bike check. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please like the video if you like the bike, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you and have a great ride.
Mm-hmm.